What up, Ramsey? What up, Hammy? What up, bro? We're back in this bit. Back in this bit. What up, Eclipse? What up, bro? Let me just get the chat app open, and I'll start sharing again, and we'll go over some of the stuff I'm doing. I don't want to like spend time polishing this whatchamacallit, this I don't want to spend time polishing this freaking field of view stuff. It's just a pain in the butt. Pain in the bizza. Can y'all hear the music? Is it too loud or too soft? I turned it up a little bit for you. What was I gonna do? I really forgot what I was about to do, and I know it was important. I think I'm just gonna try to polish the FOV stuff instead. It's just a pain in the butt. It's just a pain in the butt. So right now I have it basically when speed is changed, it'll activate the FOV. And then the humanoid, when the humanoid's moving, right? When the character's moving, it'll activate the FOV. So I have both of these kind of going. But I don't know. Like, I don't know what why it's messing up the way it is. It's kind of weird. It shouldn't be messing up the way it is. Let's look at it real quick. Like that right there. It's too quick. It's too quick. I don't know what the fuck. I don't know why it's doing that. Oh. Yeah, I don't know why it's doing that. It's kind of weird. Like, it's just, like, I don't know. Like, it shouldn't be doing that. I could do quick warning statements, though. Just to kind of see. Kind of see like what's happening here. Tweening the camera offset property of the humanoid instead. Why do that? Why not do a FOV? Field of view property. That, I mean, either way, that's not gonna fix the problem, you know? Didn't I just do that? Like, what? Ah, anyways. Okay, let's see what it does. Let's see what it's doing. I don't get it. I don't understand what's happening. That shouldn't be happening. It's running both at the same time. And it's also like getting different numbers. Oh, wait, yeah. So what I'm assuming is happening is it's canceling. Since it's running both at the same time, it's canceling. I forgot why I set this up. So what I need to do is let me pause this. I forgot why I set this up. I need to remember why I set that up specifically and then add a note to it. See, that's how it's supposed to be, right? But now it's not even. Now it's not. Now it's bugged out. That's why I set it up, because when it doesn't go forward, if I'm going any other, if I'm not going forward, then it doesn't forward or backward. If I'm not going forward or backward, then it doesn't do that, and that's why I have that there. Let's try this. Let's try this. Oh, fuck, what am I doing? What did I just do? Fucking Jesus Christ. Let's try... That's why I added the run. Maybe we don't need this, and we can just use run for now. Try Tweenie, because I think it's Roblox default behavior to reset the FOV. It's not. I don't think so. So it like works. It like works now. Either way. So maybe we don't even need this. So I'm just gonna keep this commented. I'm just gonna keep this commented for now. Cause what I did is I set this up first, and then I added this because this only detects if you're moving forward or backward, not left or right, right? So I think we just need to use this and we'll be fine. Not needed. Not needed. Just write that down. Well, I was fixing a field of view bug, so that's pretty much it. Hey, thanks for saying the movement's good though. It's fire because it's not even done yet. It's not even polished, like fully polished. The animations are gonna change, and then I'm gonna be still polishing after I get the updated animation. So I think it's gonna look fire when I'm done polishing. It's gonna be really good. And then also the VFX as well. Like once you add those, then it's gonna be, and the sound effects and VFX, like that's gonna be fire. That's gonna be fire. All right, what else can we do? All right, field of view is good now for sprinting. I'm gonna make it for jumping. We're just gonna do 75 because I don't want it to be so big. And then let's see. For jumping, +5. And then, alright. Let's see if that works. For jumping. Yo, what up, Zog? What up, Roku? Because it's like way better. Hey, it works. Awesome. That's cool. Little subtle FOV change. Could polish it a little bit. New setup, new room. What are you doing, Kyrie? Look at this cat, dude. What are you doing? And you just went potty. Oh my goodness, you stink. Oh my goodness. Make sure your butt's clean. Always wants to be on me when she's stinky. It's like her comfort after she goes poop. Looking good, bro? You're funny. I haven't showered today and I've barely slept in the last 3 days. You are so stinky, Kyrie. Thank you, RZ. What are you up to, bro? How was your Christmas, man? Was it freaking amazing? Was it everything you dreamed it would be? Cannot wait to get these animations polished, bro. It's gonna look 10 times better, honestly. That's a problem. Hold on a second. The FOV keeps getting bigger and bigger. So I gotta fix that. How am I gonna do this? I could use a set number. This is what I have to, this is what I could do. 70s, I think, are base. That should fix it. I mean, dude, it's I know that there's still a situation where it could bug out, but this should at least fix like this weird spam. See, and it did, so that works. But I just do feel like it's still fucking bugging out. This, I think, actually. I like don't want to do too much work on this, or I don't want to like. What game are you making? It's a. Is it working? That's working, but that's working. But is it working for this? Oh, duh. These need to be switched. Okay. Now it should work. Now it should look clean. There we go. And it's not getting bigger, I think, either. There we go. I think it works. I think it works now. I think it's clean now. It doesn't seem to be fucking up at all. Yeah, I think it works now. The FOV should be good. And obviously I can change the numbers a little bit. I feel like it's still too much zoom. It needs to be more subtle. But as far as it like working, right? Like it works. Yeah, I think it works. So I can kind of still see it. I'm seeing it, aren't I? Or no? I don't think it's, I don't know. I can't tell now. It's not going back. It is. It just like wasn't there for a second. I don't know. I think it works. I'm just like tripping. VS Code theme? What are we talking about? Oh, VS Code theme? Shit. I don't even know, honestly. I'm not using I don't think I'm using Dracula, am I? How do I even know which theme's activated? I think I'm using this one. Oh, I'm using this. These are for the icons. I'm definitely using that for the icons. Charmed icons. I don't know what theme I'm using right now. It might be Dracula. Or it's... I don't think it's that one. I think it's this one. Yeah, I think it's AU. It's this one right here. You see that? Yeah, it's got to be that one. Yeah. I think it's that one. Control P. Yeah, I don't know. I think it's the one I just showed you though. I mean, look at it. It's like you can see right there. It's like the same shit. And then I'm using the one where it doesn't have the bar. You see how that bar is there? This one has like no bar. Kyrie literally just came in here to rub her fucking stinky booty on me and then leave. Like, what are you doing, cat? She's such a weirdo. Yeah, no worries, bro. Does the AND operator, when signing a value, add the two values together? No. No, the AND says if a condition is met, then use this variable or use this variable. Oh my god. Oh.
Make you feel uncomfortable. You know when you watch something?
I need to start drinking my mocha faster, dude, because then it gets all cold and it tastes like shit. And I don't want to drink the rest of it, so I waste like a quarter of a fucking mocha. Doesn't it mean two things have to be true? It can. But if I'm doing a one-liner, I'm saying if one condition is met, then use this variable or use this other variable. If it's not a one-liner and it's just a condition statement, then yeah. Then it's saying if these two things are true or not, right? So that's an if-then condition. Depends on if it's a one-liner. Oh my goodness gracious. Demon Slayer looks pretty cool. All right, guys, I'm gonna end that stream. I'm gonna end the stream, guys. I just got like super tired. I did a couple tasks that I needed to get done real quick. I have a few more, but I'm gonna do those later. Maybe if I like when I get back on later, I'll stream again. But I'm gonna get off. Wonder how they added the moving train combat? Like, what do you mean? It's just combat on top of a moving train now. Yeah, it's just combat on top of a moving part. That's what it looks like to me. Alright, Eclipse, Art RZ, thank you guys. Have a good rest of your day, and you know what, dude? Happy holidays. Happy New Year. Oh, shoot. Hell no. Just as I was about to end stream, this guy. That's crazy. Absolutely diabolical. That shit was so funny back then when I made that video and posted it and they were freaking out about it. And then I was like known in the refinery community for like talking shit for some reason. Like, what the fuck? That was honestly crazy. How many views did that? It got like 400 views. I wonder how many views that shit had. Let me look back at that video real quick. Almost 600 views. That's funny. But it was like being shared all throughout the fucking Discord server, wasn't it? Because I remember them like screenshotting, talking about me for like hella. But what are you saying, RZ? When humanoids are on moving objects? You know, there's ways to keep your character on a moving object. And it's either you're using a line, what is it? A line position constraint or whatever. I don't know if you call it a constraint or not. Just that physical instance, align position. If you're using that to move the object, then that will allow you to be on the moving object without you having to worry about it, right? If not, then you have to, you know, simulate moving the character on the moving object, which isn't like super hard to do. You're just creating that you just do that by like C-framing. You can do that. I think you can do that by C-framing on the client, and then it like works fine, right? Like if you play Jailbreak and you're on a moving car, I don't know what you mean though. I don't play that. It was kinda a few of my friends and I. Yeah, that's funny, Basic B. It was hilarious. It was pretty hilarious. I'm not gonna lie. It was pretty freaking hilarious. Yeah. I mean, those are the two simple ways to do it. I don't know how else you would do it, but those are the two ways, and those are good ways to do it. Both of them work. So, line orientation can be easier. I would just use the line orientation. Or not orientation, but position for the moving part. But alright guys, I'm gonna end stream right there. Have a good rest of your day. Thanks for everybody. And I'll see you all later. Peace out.